Today we are going to write a program of factorial in Python. We write program in 4 ways: by using loop, by using recursion, by using predefined function, and in one line. So let's see first method. We take a input from the user using the input function and convert it into integer by int, then make variable named as fact and initialize it by 1, then run the for loop start from 1 up to value n. Multiple each value of I in fact variable, and at last print that fact variable value. Now run this program and see output. Now see second method, that is, using recursion. We make a function named as fact which we call again and again until value becomes 0 or 1. Take input in similar way as we done before and pass input value in function. Now run this program and see output. Now see third method, that is, by predefined function. In this method we just use a function which is predefined in math library. So we import the math library, then take input in similar way we done before. Then we use factorial function to find the factorial of given value. Now run this program and see output. Now see fourth method. In this method we done this in only 2 line. Now run this program and see output.